Signage is definitely a big one because, as most people know, you got to provide notice to the public if there's something occurring at that time in an active construction zone or even an inactive construction zone. If there's no notice or signage to the public, no one is going to know specifically that they may be approaching a hazardous condition in the roadway, pothole, change in direction of the roadway, things like that, or maybe just approaching a lane closure or concrete barriers up ahead. So really depends on that. Other things are things like lighting. If they are conducting work at nighttime, they got to have appropriate lighting to provide notice to the public, like oscillating lights. If they are working in a particular area that is extremely dark, they have to have enough light to make sure everybody is working there, and that's a sufficient lights to give notice to the public. And then usually the barriers, things like that, all the barriers have to be affixed and make sure that they abut the roadway consistently and there's no gaps in there. And of course, all work has to remain on the interior side of the barrier and cannot intrude into a roadway, especially when there's active traffic going on.